In this lecture, you are going to learn how to adjust the timing of animation effects in PowerPoint. In the previous lecture, we have added lots of entrance effects to all the elements in our slide. Now I'm going to adjust the timing of a few entrance effects. These 4 wipe entrance effects happen so fast. Let me have a preview. I would like to extend it or make it a bit slow. For that, I'm going to select all of them by holding Ctrl key and clicking on these items. Now when I go to the drop-down list, I have got an option called timing. Here the duration is set to 0.5 seconds or very fast. I wish to choose 1 seconds or the fast timing. Let me click OK. This seems quite good. You can also increase or decrease the duration in this timing section under Animations tab. Similarly, the animation of the text box happens very slowly, so I wish to speed it up. Let me reduce the timing under this duration field in timing section. But you could notice that the timing was 1 minute earlier, and when I reduce it to make it 0.5 seconds, it became 59 minutes. This is a bug in PowerPoint, so you cannot use this duration box under this timing section. Might be your PowerPoint may work correctly, but in almost all the PowerPoint I have been using, I am facing the same bug. So I'm going to adjust the timing by going to timing option and choose the duration to 0.5 seconds. So I have customized all the timings of our entrance effects in this slide. In the next lecture, we are going to add some special effects to these entrance effects.